Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin, a complete troubleshooting solution for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to fix something went wrong error in YouTube. It's very important issue, so don't forget to watch full video. First of all, open your browser and browse YouTube. Look, my browser cannot open YouTube and it's showing a message that is sorry, something went wrong. We have to know first why this type of problem, why this type of error. We can try to open YouTube alternatively as a guest user. To open YouTube as a guest user, open a new tab. Now click on user logo and click on guest. Now I am trying to open YouTube. In search bar type youtube.com. Look, as a guest user, I can run YouTube smoothly. That means there are something wrong with the user. Now close this browser. I have something wrong in YouTube cookies on my user who is currently logged in. Okay, click on three dot and click on settings. Click on privacy and security. Click on clear browser data. Now uncheck browser history and cache image and files. I just need to clear cookies as because the problem is with cookies. Now click on clear data. The cookie is already been cleared. Close this window. Okay. Now open your browser again. Now I am trying to browse youtube.com. Look, I can browse YouTube properly. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.